What if metal manufacturing could be faster, cleaner, and stronger without heat? Introducing Titomic Kinetic Fusion cold spray technology, a solid-state process that builds and strengthens metal through sheer velocity, not melting. Our coatings have been proven on Australia's Spirit satellite using TKF technology. Metal powders are accelerated at high speed and bond on impact, creating dense, durable surfaces with no melting and no heat distortion. For repairs, the same solid-state process restores worn or damaged components quickly and precisely. On the battlefield, repairs can be made in situ, and critical parts can be restored in hours, not days. And with large-format additive manufacturing, Titomic's Kinetic Fusion builds strong, high-performance metal structures faster and with less waste than traditional methods. Coatings, repairs, additive manufacturing, powering aerospace, defense, oil and gas, and heavy industry. We're not just redefining how we build, we're reshaping what's possible. Titomic,